DIY queen. Call me an extra mom. Because why? Can you ever tell? Can you tell that these snowflakes you're seeing are made out of cotton buds? They're gonna know. They're not gonna know. Oh my Lord. So guys, I was looking for ways to decorate my house, with snowflakes, but the prices of snowflakes in the market are not fish out, especially this T-Pain era. That is when I got me some cotton buds. As you can see, I tried to make a star out of it by joining 3 cotton buds into it, and then I joined both together like you see me do. Oh my Lord, this was just giving me, oh gosh, Jane. Call me an extra mom. There's no way that you would know that this was cotton buds. Like you could not tell. Next, I just divided one cotton bud into 2 and then added it in the middle. Like you see there, I used my gum and gummed it in place. Next, I cut out the foam part of the cotton buds and then added it on the tips of all the cotton sticks like you see me do. Oh my Lord, it's just self-explanatory. Just oh my Lord. And there you have it. You can decide to accessorize with pearls, but nah, I don't feel waste pearls. I don't feel waste pearls for this economy. So I just took my fishing line, added it there, and voila. And voila, your decorative piece is ready. Your decorative snowflakes is ready. Like, they're not gonna know. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. So if you have cotton buds lying around, and I know we use it to clean our ears, but you can also DIY it into a snowflakes and use this for a decoration. You can place it on your Christmas tree. You can use it to decorate your house like I did. You can use it anywhere. Like, it was so beautiful. Tell me you're gonna try it. Please send me a picture if you do, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a beautiful comment, tell me what other craft you want me to do. And please don't skip the ads on this video, please. I decided to make this video as short as simple. So please, this is me just showing you other ways you can use it. Just look at how it is on the wall. If you have a glass wall that you can put it, this is how I use it on my tree. Oh my Lord, it was so beautiful. It is so beautiful. So please try it out. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.
Winter time and sky is bright, no snow in sight. Shorts and sandals always bright, even in the night. We have a fun in the Christmas sun. Palm trees swaying, carol song, friends all together, warmth we share in the air and in hearts everywhere. South is tired of cold weather ready. Watch it sunny. Hop up on Rudolph, sick of snow. Jack Frost told me that he wants a tan, and even the Grinch will have fun. It's Christmas in the sun. Heavy sun, not heavy coats. Time to raise a toast. I want to wish from the bottom of my heart a season of hope. Let's have our fun in the Christmas sun. Yuletide laughter for everyone. Singing and dancing, no winter freeze. Hang our stockings and decorate